Rolex is one of the most popular and prestigious watch brands in the world. They are known for their high-quality watches, iconic designs, and luxury status. However, there are some myths and truths about Rolex watches that people should know. Myth: Rolex watches are always expensive. This is not always the case. Rolex does make some very expensive watches, but they also have a number of more affordable models. For example, the Oyster Perpetual Datejust is a popular model that starts at around $5,000. Myth: Rolex watches are only for the wealthy. While Rolex watches are popular with wealthy people, they are not exclusively for the rich. There are many people who save up for years to buy a Rolex watch, and they are often passed down from generation to generation. Truth: Rolex watches are well made and durable. Rolex watches are known for their high quality and durability. They are made with high-quality materials, such as stainless steel and gold, and they are built to last. Rolex watches are also water-resistant and can withstand even the harshest conditions. Truth: Rolex watches are status symbols. Rolex watches are often seen as status symbols. They are a way for people to show off their wealth and success. However, not everyone who buys a Rolex watch is doing it for the status. Many people simply love the look and feel of a Rolex watch and enjoy owning one. Overall, Rolex watches are high-quality, durable, and stylish watches. They are not always expensive, but they are often seen as status symbols. Whether you are looking for a watch to show off your wealth or simply a stylish and reliable timepiece, a Rolex watch is a great option. Here are some additional truths about Rolex watches. Rolex is one of the most counterfeited watch brands in the world. It is important to buy a Rolex watch from a reputable dealer to ensure that you are getting an authentic watch. Rolex watches are often used as investments. Some models, such as the Submariner and Daytona, can appreciate in value over time. Rolex watches are popular with celebrities and other high-profile individuals. This has helped to make them even more desirable and exclusive. If you are considering buying a Rolex watch, it is important to do your research and understand the market. There are many factors to consider, such as the model, condition, and location of the watch. It is also important to be aware of the risks of buying a counterfeit watch. With a little bit of research, you can find a Rolex watch that is both stylish and affordable.